Welcome back, my friends. I got this I-beam from one of my friends. He just completed construction his house. I got it freely, so I'm going to use this as an anvil in my workshop. This I-beam is not heavy, and moreover, this makes a lot of noise and vibrations. So my aim is to dampen this noise and vibration. I have a simple idea for that. I'm going to weld some piece here from here to here on all the four sides, because these two are free ends. This makes more vibration and noise. So I'm going to weld a piece here so that the vibration will transfer from top to bottom and absorb on a wooden piece. Come on, let us see whether I can dampen this noise using my method. Guys, I completed cutting 4 pipes. I had this pipe in that scrap material. Weld this here, all the 4 places, all the 4 sides. And before that, I'm going to drill 4 holes here. So these holes are for to mount this on a wooden piece. So let me go and do the drilling first. It's too hot today, so let me go to basement and drill it, and then come back and weld this piece and other pieces. Guys, I completed this. Let me test this, whether I dampen the sound or not. I feel it is around 50% reduced, more than 50%. I'm not getting that vibration gong sound. I think I'm 50% through this. If I add some magnets here, still it will reduce. And moreover, you'll be wondering why I welded these 2 pipes here. There's a reason for this. This is a multi-purpose a jig. So like this, if I want to do some bending work, or like this, to bend some rod or flat, anything. Also, I can bend like this. Otherwise, bend like this. It's got a multiple uses. Guys, thanks for watching. Thank you very much.